Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set number 25. So in case you guys are wondering, this is the continuation of the question set number 16, and so here's the ER diagram of the question that we are discussing. So let me give you guys some time to read the question. Just pause the video right here and read. And I think you guys have read the question, so let me start by answering this question. First question. So the first question suggests that we have to find the average obtained from the first term for the mathematics subject of all students, I think. So let me get a new query. Make sure you have the right connection and the right database selected, and select all from. You need student exam mark record for this, and you have to inner join I think subject, right? Subject on, okay, subject on subject. Primary key of subject table is subject ID, and foreign key of subject table is subject underscore subject underscore ID. So to get all the subjects here, and you need to also inner join this exam term table. So exam terms primary key is term ID, and exam terms foreign key is exam term ID located within the student exam mark record. So you get all the exam dates and the term names. Now you can specify the conditions. So where subject dot subject name equals mathematics. Let me copy this from here, mathematics, and exam term dot exam date, which should be equal to, not date, okay, no, not date, the first term, term name should be equal to first term. Is it first term? Yeah, it is first term. Yeah. And let me run this. Now you get all the marks of mathematics in the first term. Now you have to find the average. I'm going to use the average operator to do this. So this is like the average mark of all the students as AVG. I mean, you can rename this like to whatever you like with as keyword. And that answers the first question. The second question suggests that you have to find the average of the second term. Okay, so you can copy this, and you have to single subject, right? So let me go to subject table. Where is subject? Okay, here, and copy this exact same keyword, and this should be second term, right? Let me change this to second term and put a semicolon right here, and yeah. So this is the average mark of the singular subject in the second term. So that answers the second question, which are really easy. The third question suggests that we have to find the average mark of obtained of Sachitra Vikramasinghe studied in our subject. Okay, so let me get a new query and copy this. So now we have to be careful, because let me select all. Now we have to join student table to find out about the student name. So the student name table's primary key is index number with student tables. Foreign key is uh, foreign key is I think student index number, right? Yeah. Now you get all the names of the students. So this first name and last name should be Sajit Singh, right? So let me okay. So let me clear this. Yeah, first name. We have to specify what table we are getting the details from. Student first name should be equal to Sachitra. Student. Let me copy from the table because we have to keep no room for errors. So last name. It is better to copy from the from what do you call the tables itself rather than the question. So name should be Vikram Singh. So you get all the marks of the student, and you have to specify the exam date, right? So exam dot exam date should be equal to this. I think it's in the 7th month. Yeah. So copy this and paste it here, and you get all the details of this regarding this student. Now you have to find the average mark. So these are the marks. So we have to find the average of this. So you have to find the average and just do this, and you get the average. And that answers the third question. And fourth question suggests that you arrange the mark obtained by all the students of class 11 in term name in ascending order. Okay. So let me copy this. Find the marks obtained. Select all. By students in class 11. Okay. Now you need to join class table also. Class primary key of class table is class ID, and foreign key of class table located inside the student exam mark record table is no, not student exam mark record. Student table is class ID. I think class underscore class ID. So now you get the class IDs also, class names and class IDs. You need to specify the class name, right? Class name should be equal to 11, right? So yeah, now you get all the 11 students, and this should be first term. So exam term not term name should be okay. First term. I will copy this from here. First term, and see, this is all first term, and you have to order this by ascending order, right? So by, so there are the marks. So the marks aren't in any order, so let me write order by mark ASC, and now you can see the marks are in ascending order. So let me select only the mark, and so and here are the marks. So you have to only arrange the marks, and yeah, so here is the marks, here are the marks. And yeah, I think I have completed the fourth question successfully. So thank you guys for watching and hope to see you again next. Peace.